Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to ITSnippets. Today I'm going to show you how to create a multi-boot USB using an application called Ventoy. So the first thing we actually have to do is obviously download the application, which is, as I say, it's called Ventoy. You get that by going to www.ventoy.net/en/index.html, clicking on downloads. In my case I'm downloading it for Windows, but you can see it's available for Linux and as a live CD. Click on here and then scroll down and click on Ventoy for Windows. Now I've already downloaded this myself, so once you've done so, find it in your downloads folder, right click, extract all, and just give it a folder name. I'm just extracting it to the default, and there we go. As you can see, it created a folder called Ventoy. If we go in here, we should have Ventoy to disk. Double click on that. Say yes when user account control kicks in. It has detected the 16 gig USB I have connected, and it literally just is ready to install. Let's look at options. We have secure boot support, different partition styles. We can configure the partitions, we can clear a Ventoy, we can show devices, and we can generate a VTSI file. Not sure what that last one does. And languages is as expected. So let's just click install. All this data will be deleted, are you sure? So yep. Yep, double checking that it's sure. Click yes. Okay. So now I close this. We should now have a drive called Ventoy, which as you can see is empty. Now the benefits of Ventoy over anything else is it literally means that I can go in here and I can just pick up some ISOs like so. Right, I'll take the Hyper-V June and copy them onto the drive. If there's enough space, there should be. And we'll just wait for that to finish. Okay, so that was successful and I've now ejected the USB. Let's plug into another machine and try it. Okay, so I've plugged in the USB to the laptop. I'm going to power it on. I'm going to hit F11 to get into my boot menu. There's my boot menu, and the bottom one is the drive, the OCZ Rally. So let's select that. And there we go. There is Ventoy. So let's say I wanted to install Hyper-V, so let's move down and select Hyper-V, hit return. And there we go. It's starting to install Hyper-V. Okay, there we go. That has now installed Hyper-V up until the setup stage. If you liked this video, give it a like. If you disliked this video, give it a dislike too. If you get feedback on this or any other videos or suggestions for videos you believe we should do in the future, then please let us know in the comments below. And most of all, thank you for watching.